Hey guys, welcome to Silver Technology. Today we're going to recommend a website,
which is typing.com.
So first you can click sign up now and so go back and you can choose teacher sign up and student sign up. I'll choose student sign up and I'll sign up with this email. Okay, done.
Okay, so now we have signed up.
And we're here. So you can go premium like the last video. But we're now using the free one now. So there are lessons, tests, games, achievement, themes. So this is a new account, so nothing's been done.
Yeah,
so
so
let's
when
try.
you press start, it will have a video first.
Yeah, so typing.com provides a lot of videos, fun videos for you. Yeah, let's
like
watch
some
it.
tips. You can watch it yourself, so we're gonna fast forward.
Look at it this way. Imagine you're driving a car. You're on a road trip with your friends and you stop.
Okay, skip video.
You could watch it yourself.
So you can type the J key, and then you can press enter to continue. It's really fun. Let's see, J.
There
Good.
starts.
Yeah, and you can press enter to continue again. Now press the F key, and then enter. Then F, J. And if you type a wrong one, it's okay.
But there will be one star gone.
Yeah, and you can type enter. So there are different kinds of games.
Yeah, there are some.
And you can type them as you fall. I am really good at this. Yeah. Oh yes.
You could do it slower by yourself, so you could practice.
Yeah, and let me show you the games. There are some tests. You can start this test, but you need to be better first. So there are really cool games. Keyboard Jump, Keyboard Ninja, Zombie Defender, C-Type, Type of Balloon.
You could try these if you like.
Yeah, and you can choose some. You can choose what letters to type. I'll choose numbers and easy. 5, 6, and if it.
Maybe we're gonna mute it.
Yeah. So let's wait until the 4 reaches the top, then we lose a balloon. Okay, so let's go back. Let's show you what premium membership can do. So you don't have to you don't have to see ads, and it's a one-time payment, so it's only $7.99 US. Yeah. So you can see your achievements here.
Yeah.
Avatar levels, typing speed, accuracy, stars. You can choose your theme too. So I'll just choose maybe bare face.
A random one.
And my avatar will be it. You can also choose here. Yeah. And then
if you didn't sign up,
you can go to your account settings.
If you didn't sign up, your level will be gone every time.
You can change your password. And remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Bye.
Thank you.